Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome to my channel. We are out on the balcony today and we're going to be doing a repotting. We're going to repot this baby right here. Okay, so stay tuned. So this Euphorbia Ammak Variegated I got probably about 3 weeks ago. I think you may have seen my plant haul on this one, and I got a really good deal on it. There's 4 really good plants in here, euphorbias in here, and I got it for a total $25. And I am going to repot it. I am keeping 2 and giving and planting the 2 other in their own pots, and I'm maybe giving those away. So let me get set up on my potting table and we'll get these changed out. Okay, so we're set up here on the potting table. You can see this Euphorbia Ammak is in really good condition. A little bit about this variety of euphorbia. It is native to northern Africa, specifically Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Persian area. It is takes full sun to partial sun, which is perfect for my balcony, and it's for zone 9 through 11, which I'm in 9B. But if you live in a more northern zone in United States, you can keep this inside in a very sunny window. You don't want to keep it outside during the winter because it'll only go down to tolerate up to down to 25 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter, which is fine for me because we rarely, if ever, get down to there. But if you live in a lower zone, keep it inside in a very sunny window, like a south-facing window in the northern hemisphere, and it should do fine. Okay, you can tell it's very healthy by the little leaves that it has on top here. Now these do grow arms out, and it's often called a candelabra euphorbia or African milk tree, and I'm hoping that mine, the ones I keep, will grow those arms because it'll look really cool. Now if it was planted in the ground, these could grow up to 25 feet, which I really don't want that, but keeping it in a container, it will contain the growth that it has. Okay, so I do have a 10-inch pot here, terracotta pot, that I'm going to put the 2 in, and I have an old towel here excuse me, that I'm going to use to get these out. Let me get some room here and just lay it down. The soil that it's in, it's looks like some type of peat. Rosie, please. Wow, okay. You can see the roots down here. I'm not sure if I can. They're already starting to curl, so it's got very good roots. I'm hoping that they're not tangled very much, that I can separate these. See if I can. I think I can. Okay, there's one. Let me just set it in that pot. I'm not wearing gloves here. I'm trying to, which I probably should be, because these little spikes are sharp. So there's the other one. I'm going to set these aside. And I'm just going to kind of work some of the soil off. you can see how far down they had it potted. These cuttings set the roots off here. This one looks like it's longer. I'm not going to pot it that far up. I'm going to pot it probably right here, because this is all good. I don't see any new arms coming off, and there's some roots right here. So pot it right about here. Get those roots underneath. So let me get this cleared off and the other pot put on here. Okay, so I've got the terracotta pot here, 10-inch, I believe it is. No, this is 8-inch, but perfect size for 2. Got my soil mix here, my succulent soil mix, and I put some worm castings in there. And putting it down in here, I'm going to leave, I'm not going to pot it as far down, but I am definitely going to pot it enough where I cover these roots that are growing a little bit higher up. The roots look really good, all healthy. For the second one, I've already dusted off. You can see here the line of where it was potted up, and you can Lordy, and you can see where the roots are. These are cuttings, arms off of a mother plant, basically. I can tell they've rooted really well. This one was already starting to circle the bottom of the pot. The roots are good, but I'm going to pot it right about here. That should be good. I've already got, this is a terracotta pot that's got a red glaze on it. I had something else in here, actually my Euphorbia dragon bones. That was a little too small for this pot, so I moved it to a 6-inch terracotta pot, so I can use this one for this. Okay, so we have our last one here. This is a 6-inch pot, but it's a little more shallow. These don't need really long pots or anything like that. They can go with a little bit more shallow. I think these are called like azalea pots, which are a little bit shorter than the normal terracotta ones. So again, I'm not going to pot it way up to the line here. I'm going to pot it right about down here. This one's got really good roots also. Already put some soil down in there. Okay, so here we are. They're all potted up. I've got the one that I'm going to keep with the two here in this 8-inch terracotta pot. I've watered it. You see that it's gone all the way through. The plants were completely dry because I had not watered them in quite a while in anticipation of repotting them. So they have very free draining soil. In the summertime right now I will water these about once a week, but I will check the soil. Now, although these are euphorbia succulents, these don't like to be super dry or left dry for a very long time, but they also don't like wet feet or wet roots left soaking. So you need to have very good soil that will drain. I would recommend a terracotta pot so it wicks the extra moisture away. And when you water them, and just put your finger down in there about 3 or 4 inches. If it's dry, go ahead and water thoroughly. I've got the other ones here. They believe I'm going to give that one there in the red glazed pot. It's terracotta but glazed outside. That one to my mom. So I think she'll like that. And this one here, I am actually thinking of doing a giveaway. I am very close to reaching 10,000 subscribers. I'm over 9,500 now. So once I reach 10,000, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. This will be one of the prizes. Okay? There will be other things. I'm not going to tell you just yet, but I do anticipate that coming up soon. But you have to be subscribed, and I will put out a video when I do the giveaway. Okay, so let your friends know, share the channel, share with your friends. Sharing is caring. And let them know that I'm gonna be having a giveaway very soon once I reach 10,000, and this is gonna be one of the prizes. Okay, so in the meantime, they'll be out here on my balcony enjoying the morning sun, afternoon shade. These take full sun to partial shade. Okay, but remember, they don't take frost, so if you live in a zone below 9, have them inside in a sunny window, south facing window. They'll be happy there. Okay, but in the summertime you can put them outside, wintertime inside. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, friends, please do give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so very much. And comment down below if you're excited about the giveaway that's going to be coming up and winning this Euphorbia Ammak Variegated. It's beautiful, isn't it? Thanks so much, friends. Appreciate you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.